Hi, I'm here, and thank you so much for those who prayed me and for those who wishes me well. I'm okay now, and I would like to continue to share my life story. I realized my blessings had bigger purpose. Even after achieving what once I prayed for, I knew I couldn't stop because life it's not just about of what we gain, but it's about also of what we give. I wanted to extend my hands to those who lost hope and to those who needed help, to tell them if I could rise, they could rise too. My journey became bigger than myself. It became about giving hope to others. That's why I keep going because true success is not measured by what you have, but by how you touch others' lives. Thank you for watching and don't forget to follow my page for more video and for more stories. Bye bye.